In this video, I want to show you how this page, which is a bridge page, allows me to make more money as an affiliate marketer promoting products over on Warrior Plus, specifically this product called Instant Maze Generator, using traffic from YouTube that converted at 27% and turned into $721.95. So what is a bridge page and how does it work? You as an affiliate marketer, you have your target audience. They're on YouTube or Facebook in this example. You have your affiliate link. They watch your content on YouTube or Facebook. They click on your affiliate link and they typically go over to a sales page. This is the default and typically the way that you see affiliate marketers operate on YouTube and Facebook when they provide their affiliate link. But an even better way is to add what's called a bridge page, the page you see right here in the middle between your traffic source, YouTube, and Facebook, where your target audience finds your content, clicks on your affiliate link, lands on this bridge page that has a video that explains what's going to happen. For example, the process over to the sales page, or provides a bonus, or even collects an email address. In this example, over on my YouTube channel, you can see I did an Instant Maze Generator review, how to make puzzle books to sell on Amazon KDP. The topic is not really important. The niche is not important. The important part here is that I put the bridge page in my description as well as in my pinned first comment. When someone watches my video, they then click on my link. That takes them over to the bridge page. In this case, the bridge page working as a bonus page where you can see here I'm giving additional information on the bonus, which is additional products that's going to enhance the product that they're about to buy. In this case, these are coloring pages because this product is about creating books. And you can use these coloring pages, and once you buy Instant Maze Generator by clicking this green button, which then takes them to the sales page, which they've already seen, and they are ready to buy. At this point, it's that simple. You have your target audience over on YouTube or Facebook in this example, clicking your affiliate link, going to what I'm calling a bridge page, which can be a bonus page, a page where you can collect an email address, but basically it is a page between your traffic, which is your target audience on YouTube and Facebook, and the affiliate offer sales page. So your target audience lands on your bridge page, you offer them a bonus, you give them an additional incentive, or you give them more information to lead them over to the sales page to click the button to buy the product that you're recommending and earn the commission. Let me give you another example using another YouTube video on a different YouTube channel, the Affiliate Files. Here, me and Ken Furukawa are talking about manipulation and marketing, and then in the description and the pinned first comment, we make our #1 recommendation for getting started with affiliate marketing to join the Taking Action Online community to get free training, and we use the affiliatefiles.com/community, which then takes them over to our web page, which has a bridge page, which is simply a page that has the headline, Join Ken and Gary in the Taking Action Online community, start with the ultimate beginner-friendly solution for building a solid online business, and then we have a video. In this video, we're introducing people to the community that we want them to join to make sure they have all the information for when they click the blue button here to join, which then takes them over to the Taking Action Online page to register for a webinar and then eventually join Taking Action Online. At that point, what me and Ken are doing on our YouTube channel is the same thing as what you see here. We are giving our target audience the content that they want on our YouTube channel, just as easily as you could do it on Facebook with an affiliate link that leads them over to a bridge page that gives our audience more information and gets them ready for what's coming next when they click the button below the video and land on the sales page or the offer page or a page with more content that essentially leads to the affiliate offer where our target audience or your target audience makes a purchase and you earn an affiliate commission. The point here is that this page in between the sales page of your affiliate offer and your traffic where your target audience is on YouTube or Facebook does the job of building more like no trust and let your audience know exactly what's going to happen when they land on the sales page and they are ready to buy after you have taken them through this journey and provided them everything they need to know and ready to make the purchase over on the affiliate sales page. Now you're probably asking, how do you create the bridge page? In this case, this is the affiliatefiles.com. This is hosted on WordPress. What you purchase hosting for, you buy a domain, you install WordPress, then you install something, as you can see here, like Elementor. which is a page builder. And then when you come up and you go under your pages, you create a page here that you see like this page called Community, and you simply click Edit with Elementor. You can see Elementor loaded, and then what you have is what's called a page builder inside of your WordPress dashboard, and you simply drag and drop these basic elements over, such as the headline, the embedded video, and the button, and you configure all these elements with something like you see here with Elementor. And then you simply go back to your dashboard where you have the page that you created. And then again, these are all the pages inside of your hosting, inside of your WordPress dashboard that you have installed on the hosting you paid for, as well as the domain that you paid for. A second option, and actually a free option, or you can get started for free, is to build a page like the page that you see here using something called GroovePages. Here's inside the dashboard of what's called Groove. And inside of Groove, they have apps such as GroovePages, GrooveSell, GrooveAffiliate, GrooveMail, GrooveMember, GrooveVideo, GrooveBlog, GrooveCart, GrooveWebinar, which is a lot, but really we're just focused here on GroovePages. And again, there's a link in the description. You can grab your account to GroovePages and Groove for free. And then simply you just come into GroovePages. And inside of GroovePages, you can build what's called sites. And in each site, you can build pages, and you can use these pages as your bridge pages by simply opening up the editor, selecting a template that you see here, using one of the free templates to get started and build out your page. It's all drag and drop. Very similar to the Elementor page you saw in WordPress, but this is free and you don't have to have your own domain because you can simply come over here and publish, and you can publish this on groovepages.com domain, and you can simply see that by clicking here and seeing the page that this page builder called GroovePages inside of Groove creates. You can see a headline, you can see a video, and in this case what you have here is you have an email, a name, and a subscribe button, which puts people on an email list. And that is just another form of a bridge page. In that case, you'd be collecting a name and an email and building an email list. But the simple idea of putting your bridge page between your traffic and your sales page to include your affiliate link, which your target audience clicks on when they watch your content on YouTube or Facebook. They land on your bridge page. In this case, you could add them to an email list. You could retarget them with a Facebook pixel or a Google pixel and then run paid traffic to them. Or you could simply just offer a bonus, as I did in this example, which again was using Instant Maze Generator over at Warrior Plus. And you can see I made 23 sales. I converted 27% for a total of $721.95. And all this happens on a platform like Warrior Plus or any other marketplace you're using by creating a bridge page, putting that bridge page between your content and the offer, providing valuable content on a platform like YouTube or Facebook. And if you'd like to know more about how to provide that content and get traffic for offers just like this, go ahead, click the video you see on the screen right now. Watch that. I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.